Hi everyone, I am on Clark International Airport right now and I want to check schedule from bus from Clark to Manila Airport, and also I want to check how much parking, long-term parking and short parking in Clark International Airport, because some of people don't know maybe how much need pay. Near Clark impossible to park, only pay parking, so you need to only pay. For short time it's pay only 50 peso. 50 peso is about 1 hour and cannot park for free. So I want to know how much need to pay for long time, because we have soon we have plans go to Thailand for 1 week. That's why I want to know how much parking for 1 week. If I need take taxi, it's about 300 peso one way. Two way it's already 600. If parking the same, of course for me better park car here in airport. I want to check now. But this parking is full. So many cars. So parking is 50 peso for car and motorcycle 300 or 30 peso. Overnight 250 and overnight for night is 130. And if lost ticket is for 50. So now I will check how much for long term. This way is long term parking. This guy is already. I will check how much. All cars is for long. Good evening. Where I can see how much for long term parking?
250 pesos a day, sir.
250 peso one day.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
When your ticket is scanned, it will be show how many days you are parked here.
Okay, so if I want to park for 1 week, I need to go to park in this place.
Yeah, sir.
Only this for long.
Oh, this is a for park and fly only.
And this side for short time.
Short time, sir.
Okay. Okay, thank you very much for information. Thank you. And now we're going to the bus station. Bus station is very close. So of course for me better park car for free near my home and take a taxi. Or I can ask Shira family and they pick up me from airport. Or I can take if night time, not need disturb anyone. I just take only Grab taxi 300 to my home. It's easy. To walking street to Angeles City maybe 350, maybe 400, maybe. But I don't know. Never tried. Georgi pay. I will ask Georgi. I think 400. This is exit. So you need to pay for ticket here. The time now 5 p.m. Not so many people here. Oh, Genesis to Baguio. Even from Clark International Airport to Baguio, you can take bus. It's good. Fools also have meeting point Clark. What you can eat here? like Chinese food. How much? 35 peso per stick. Okay. Victory Lion to Alangapo. Alangapo, from Alangapo to Clark Airport, 254. And this bus going to Frudao, CTX, from CTX. It's mean faster. If you see SCTX, it's mean faster because it's pay road. It's Genesis to also to Baguio. Velasco. Excuse me, how much you need to pay from Clark Airport to Baguio? How much? How much money?
620, sir.
620. А Baguio, where arrive in Baguio? Ne SM?
SM, sir.
Ne SM Baguio. Ah, it's good. How long time need to take to from Clark to Baguio? About
3 hours, sir.
only 3 hours.
Yes.
Oh, very good. Okay, thank you. Thank you. 3 hours. It's a good time. Also to Baguio, to Tarlac, and this one to North-East, Trinoma, sorry. It's already Manila. To Manila. What foods also have. Uncle John, it's same like mini stop. In Uncle John, what you can eat? Ah, this one, Uncle John. It's also good. Oh, so cold here, cold for me. Potato. Ah, already don't have potato. Empty. Persian Avenue. Persian Avenue. Okay, we can walk to arrival. Buka, how much buka here? 55 peso, mini. V5, of course.
Huwag naman na kay Mama dali at madumi pa si Papa eh.
16 o ilan?
And here, shawarma. Shawarma 100 peso. 100 with salad 150. Ага. Вот have good shawarma. So it's 100 shawarma here. 100 shawarma is one. Okay, thank you. Oh, I just showed to my subscriber.
Okay, sir.
And you work from morning to evening or 24 hours here?
No.
From morning to evening only?
10 to 30.
Ah, from 10 to 30. Okay. So if someone who won't eat,
sir.
okay, thank you. So good. Souvenirs, Philippine souvenir. Who not buy souvenir before? Here can buy.
Sabi ko ay wala na. Pinakita ko sa kanya yung balance eh. Wala lang. Sige.
what is this? Football. I don't know what is this. Oh, can pay also Gcash. Noodles, 70 regular noodles. Same like China. In China pay Alipay, WeChat Pay, but in the Philippines Gcash. You can pay Gcash, is good. Guys, who first time go to the Philippines, just only open Gcash. You need to register in Gcash. It's very comfortable. Not need to use your money, cash. Just only register Gcash. It's free, really free. Even minimum registration is, you need only maybe 5 minutes, 5-10 minutes, and you can register. You need only passport and your phone number, and you can register Gcash. Okay, we go into arrival, international arrival. Here cannot park car. It's only stop for 1 minute only. You cannot park, not allowed. Oh, what is this? Ah, this is project. So less than 1 hour. It's good. But when they start, I don't know, maybe after 2-3 years. Ah, project 2045. So full operation only 2045. Oh, long time. So you can see same like metro. Video. Ah, it's picture maybe. Maybe have information here or same. Philippine National Railway. Oh. I will go to departure hall. Hi. Thank you. So you see guys, Philippine people very friendly. When see foreigner, they always friendly. So they always say welcome to the Philippines. Really very friendly people. This is already departure. Oh, time now 5. You can see what allowed, what not allowed. Always the same, every airport the same. 100 milliliters only bottle need. 10 pieces for 100 milliliters you can take. But here can park 10 minutes. I already asked security. You can park car maximum for 10 minutes in departure zone. But arrival, you cannot even stop. Stop only and 1 minute only. What is this? Service. One back, okay. We're going to again to arrival. Excuse me. All taxi waiting here, I will show. In front of Bay 1. Blue taxi. Meter, only by meter, blue taxi. Already new cars. Blue taxi is good, comfortable cars. I want to ask maybe taxi driver. Hi. Can I ask driver if you?
Okay.
I want to ask you. I want to ask for my subscribers how much need pay for blue taxi from Clark International Airport to Balibago. SM or Walking Street? About, by meter, about, maybe you know.
Sir, Balibago, sir.
Balibago.
To airport, sir.
From airport to Balibago or from Balibago to airport? About
220, sir.
only 220.
Yes, sir.
Oh, very good, very good. But taxi stand even night time.
All time, sir.
All time taxi here.
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you very much. Sorry for disturb you. Watch video. Okay. It's very cheap, 200 only, 200 Very it's new taxi. You can take taxi. Domestic arrival also. Yeah, good. Blue taxi also here. It's easy to take taxi. So for me not need to take to park car here. Better take taxi. Oh, coupons, have coupons, any point of Luzon. Okay, we're going to bus station right now. Oh, people rest here, good. No, with bag maybe not allowed, but it's nice. Oh, so many foods here. Bus ticketing where? I don't know. I cannot see where I can buy ticket. Guys, I want to ask you, maybe someone not understand maybe my English. I just want not so much. If you watch video and if you like this video, just put like in this video. I want only, who don't like, please put dislike, because like, dislike for YouTube is the same. I pay little bit amount for parking my car. Here is 50 peso, but of course I can just only leave home and not filming, but I want to show situation in Clark International Airport and show to you how need to pay, how much need to pay. So if you want, please like to this video, and you can support Shaira, not me. I can support myself, but this is channel for Shaira, and I pay money to Shaira from this YouTube channel. So if you like this video, please just only put like. Thank you for watching, and I will go to car. I will go to home. Shaira now in home. She's sick. I will buy food for her, and she will eat because she is hungry maybe already. And she know 3 days already with fever. After New Year, after celebration, she not already go outside with fever. That's why I will go to Mabalacat and buy some food for her. Okay, thank you for watching.